highlighters! It's Leo here! Welcome back for another highlight! Hey! Yan, hello daw, sabi ni Lychee. Hey! Yan. Akala nyo more on pop mart na tayo, no? At nakalimutan ko na si McDonald's. Siyempre, hindi! Since we're going to unbox now the new Happy Meal toys. And that's the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe! Yes! Hihi. And there are total of 10 toys to collect this time. And by the way, if you're not familiar, na nilabas na rin to here in the Philippines last 2014. The Mario Kart 8, wherein may difference naman siya sa pinaka-vehicle. So now, we'll show you yung closer look of the new release ng Mario Kart 8 Deluxe toys. So tara, let's go unboxing! Wait, here's the first toy. So it comes inside the box. Yan. And okay, the only difference for now na nakikita ko is yung dati naka-plastic siya and now naka-paper box and naka-ganito, naka-wrap siya ng paper. And it comes with this sticker and here's the toy. Yan. Hihi. Okay, wait, I'll show you the closer look. So here's the closer look of the Mario Kart toy. Okay. So, same pa rin naman I think yung ilalim niya na hindi yung real wheels yung gamit na may improvise here in the middle or in the center. Then, actually halos the same yung size niya from the previous one. Actually, cannot show you the comparison since medyo nakatago na siya yung akin. But, ayan. It's cool pa rin naman. And yun. And wait, let's check the stickers. Here you go. So you could design the stickers. Oh, by the way, it can be removed. Oh, okay. So yun. Here's the first gimmick. Yan. So the tires can be removed from the car's body. Yan. Okay. So yan. Yun. Ayun yung first feature na nakita natin. And wait, let's try sticking these stickers. So, ayan. Yan. This is the toy with the stickers on it. So, mas nabuhay yung toy with stickers. Okay? And, by the way, Mario cannot be removed from the vehicle. And, there's an extra stickers wherein you could stick this on your notebook, on your cell phone, tumblers, and then the like. So, here's the first toy. Here's Mario. Okay. Mario. So next up, here's the Gold Mario Kart. Yan, the Gold Mario Kart. So the only difference of this one is that Mario is painted with color gold. So yan. And I think on the other country na mas limited ito. Oh, and the stickers may pinagkaiba naman siya. And wala lang yung in front na tawag dito na sticker or decals, diba? Sa sides lang siya. So, wait. I'll show you. So, wait, let's just put the stickers. Cool, no? So, for sure, isa to sa pinakamabili rin na color gold since ano siya, exclusive sa other country release. So, better grab this first among the rest. Yan. And of course, si Mario yung pinakakilala here sa set na to. Hey. And actually, no, dati may visor pa, if you remember. And yun, okay. Yun, it could be removed, yan, the tires and the body, yan. Yun nga, yun yung first, yung gimmick nito. Pwede siyang i-interchange with the other one. So, yan, wait. So, here's first the comparison of the stickers from the regular and the gold one. So, first yan, kung nakikita nyo, same naman yung shell ng turtle but the only difference is the plant. Yan, mushroom yung nandito and dito. Ano to? I'm not familiar with this one. And may decals, mas maraming decals na regular versus the gold one. So yan, 'di ba? And yun, na-detect na natin yung gimmick ng these toys versus the 2014 na removable yung tires niya. And it could be changed with the other vehicles like this one. So, let's try. Wait, pakita ko lang rin muna yung closer look nito na dito sa regular, sa gitna yung tires. But on the gold one, ito talaga, talagang tires talaga yung niya. Yun, okay. So, ito talaga, hindi siya fake tires. Ito talaga yung gumagalaw. Diba? Cool. Yun. And actually, hindi ko kasi nalaro yung game. If ever na nakaganito ata yung tires, lumilipad ata yung mga cart. So, correct me if I'm wrong, kindly comment down below. So, yan. And let's try switching the toys tires yan. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung compatible naman with each other. Oh, yan. Okay. Same nga. Yun. So, pwede nga siya. Oh, cool. Diba? So, pwede kayong bumili ng times 2 nito, yung times 2 nito para ma-display nyo on this mode na nakaganitong mode and the regular tires. Cool, right? Hihi. So, once again, here's the Gold Mario. Yan, napagpalit ko na yung tires niya with the regular one. So, yun. Ganda, no? Ang ganda i-display, actually. Parang same siya sa mga quality ng mga blind boxes na nire-release sa mga toy stores. Cool. The only difference is that pwede tayong mamili. Like, comparing this one na talagang, na alam natin kung sino makukuha natin. So, yan. So, we're done with the Mario Kart. So, let's do unbox the second one. Siyempre, sinisave nila sa game, which is si Peach. Yan. Here's the pink gold Peach cart and the regular Peach cart. Yan. So, alam na natin agad yung difference is the tires and the color. And yun nga, no, ang pangit lang here sa box, no, like this one na in-order ko via Mac Delivery, sira yung box niya. Like, hindi naman sira, yupe. Kasi for us collectors, di ba, medyo wrong X sa atin tong ganito. Pero hindi ko na ma-return since I'll do a review. So, I'll just buy a new one na lang. Diba? Instead of replacing this one. Okay, wait. I'll show you the closer look muna. Or, wait pala. I'll just unbox this one first in front of you guys. So, yan. And what do you think pala? Na sinong mas maganda? Yung last time or this one? Actually, as far as I remember kasi, maganda lang naman sa dati is that meron kasi siyang tawag dito visor yung pwedeng isuot. Yon. And this one is puro cards talaga. And which is good. At least lahat sila is action figure or vehicle, 'di ba? Na nasa card talaga. Hindi iba-ibang gimmick na merong cards, may mga ganda-like 'yon. So yan, first muna ito, yung gold. Oh! So ito naman, yung rose gold. Tama, rose gold, no? Tama, pink gold. Pink gold siya. So meron siya yung ganito in front, unlike kay Mario, wala. Oh, nice, Yan. And here's yung the regular one. Oh, cool. Nice. Wait. Here's a closer look and let's put up the decals. Okay. So, yan. And here's the pink gold. So, yan. Siyempre, mas buhay yung may color talaga. Pero, kasi parang secret edition yung color pink Cool. Diba? And again, it could be removed. Same as kay Mario siya. So, yan. So, wag na natin pagpalit. Let's just put the stickers first. Wait. So, yan. Wait, in comparison pala muna. So, yun. Oh, cool. So, parang metallic yung rose or pink gold. And stars yung same. And yung plant, same difference lang niya is ito mushroom. And ito is the flower. Okay. So, let's put up the decals. Yan. Yeah, actually, fun naman maglagay ng stickers. But, pag tumatagal nun, sisira kasi siya. And pag nabasa. And minsan, yung umaangat. So, sana, mas maganda yung kung painted sana siya. But, it's a Happy Meal kasi. So, what to expect, 'di ba? But it's fun pa rin naman. Kasi kung mabibili lang rin natin siya ng as is, medyo boring if ever na walang ganito. And the fun starts here kasi, 'di ba? So, yan. So, here's the closer look na complete na yung stickers ni Pink Gold Peach. And let's put the side naman. Hey, so here you go. It's so cool to collect. It's so cute. Diba? Hey. So once again, here's the peach card. The rose gold and the regular one. So yan. So nice, right? Yan. Sinabay na natin since halos the same naman siya. And by the way, yan, ang meron lang na tawag dito, yung variation na gold and the gold one, yan, the pink gold and the gold is si Mario and si Peach. Yan. Sana naglabas na rin sila for all, no? Para mas cool siya. And buti na nga lang, hindi siya pahirapan unlike the Minions dati na talagang bibili ka ng napakadami para makuha mo yung gold. At least ngayon, talagang part siya ng collectibles, yung hindi siya nasa list siya, hindi siya yung surprise, 'di ba? So at least may chances lahat makakuha. Kaya lang unahan niyo na. And yan, side by side natin i-unbox. Here's the first, second si Mario, third and fourth si Peach. The fourth and the fifth one is si Toad and si Toadette. So the boy and the girl Toad. Okay, so let's unbox this one. Yan. So, sinong fans ni Toad and Toadette? Kindly comment down below. So, syempre, first, the difference of this toy. Yan, color blue syempre si Toad. Yan, diba? And yung tires niya could be removed also. And yung hindi siya yung naka-flight mode. Regular tires siya na pwedeng umandar. So yan, hindi siya pushback. Nakakamiss tuloy yung mga pushback dating toys. Ngayon kasi is talagang tinutulak nyo lang. Pushback, pullback pala yung pull nyo, then pagka nirelease nyo gaganon, di ba? Dati ganon kasi. And here's the Toadette. Yan, the girl one. Yan. Ooh. Siyempre, while unboxing this one, nag-iisip na kayo kung sinong uunahin nyo, no? So again, if I were to suggest, I think best one to both first or to buy first, I mean, would be the exclusive one or the rose and the gold. So yan. And here's Toadette in the color pink. Yan. Wait, pakita natin closer look in a while. Oh, by the way, naka-flight mode siya. Tama ba ako? Tama yung tawag sa kanya? Kindly correct me. Kindly comment down below. So yan. Wait, so I'll show you and let's put up the decals. So, here's Toad and Toadette. Yan. So, sa stickers muna. So, yan. Medyo hindi na ako familiar sa mga ganitong logo. Ito lang familiar sa akin yung mushroom. And ito yung puset. Medyo hindi na kasi ako nakakalaro ng ng tawag dito ng Mario sa Nintendo. Since I don't have the Nintendo Switch kasi. So, yan. Okay. So, same. 3 stickers na pwede nyo indicate sa vehicle. So, first muna kay Toad. So, yan. Ang cool. So, yung first difference na nakikita ko, parang may mahabang buhok si Toadette versus kay Toad. Yun, wala. Para siyang kalbo. So, yan. Okay. Okay, cool, right? And first, sa harapan na rin ni Toadette. Actually, if you're not familiar or not aware na yung previous toy, yung Mario Kart 8 ata, or I'm not pretty sure what year is that yung naglabas rin sila ng ganito. Kasi I think, tama, 2014 ata yun, na meron Toadette po. May Toadette rin siya. Sa Philippines kasi wala. So, yan ha. Alam nyo na ang chismis. So, So if ever na hindi pa kayo subscriber here at Highlight Manila, better subscribe now since we're going and there's more to unbox, diba? Para hindi na rin kayo mahuli sa chismis. Yan. Okay. We're doing live at TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, diba? And we're doing we're posting some shorts most of the time. Yan, para hindi kayo mahuli. Kasi yun nga, diba? Maraming collectibles right now na like 1 to 2 days ubos na. But if naka-follow kayo kay Highlight Manila, sa akin, Leo, yan, hindi kayo mahuli sa chismis. Diba? Kasi like right now, maraming hoarders, maraming resellers. Mas nauna pa sila sa collectors. So now you know. Kaya hindi natin maiwasan yun, kaya mas galingan natin collectors. Okay? So yan. So here's the closer look of the two. Side by side. Toad and Toadette. So first yung noticeable na difference is the color of the stickers and of course the yung ang tawag dito. Yung the steering rod, tama ba? And ayun, yung color ng head nila. Okay. Once again, here's Toad and Toadette. Cute, right? One for the boys and one for the girls. Or you could collect or buy them all. Siyempre para complete yung collection natin, di ba? Yes. And next up, yan. So we're down with the 4 characters. Siyempre ang pinaka best friend ni Mario. Here's Luigi. Yan. And unfortunately, wala siya yung metallic version. But it's okay, 'di ba? Yan. Oh, same na same pa rin siya halos doon talaga sa previous tawag dito. Wait, I'll just put the paper here. Same na same pa rin siya sa 2014 release. Pero I think mas bigger to. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yan. Or same mold lang yung ginamit niya. And for the stickers, same, tatlo pa rin siya. And medyo iba lang yung ilalagay sa kanya. Wait, here's the closer look muna. So, okay, here you go. Here's Luigi. And again, the tires could be removed. Diba? So, yan. So, para pwede nyo ipalit sa iba. And wait, let's put the stickers. Yan. So, if ever, yan, may instruction sa likod. So, better check first the instruction before putting the stickers para tama yung positioning. Yan. Medyo OC kasi ako sa ganito actually. So, medyo madali lang yung lagay ko right now. But if tabingi, medyo sad ako pag ganun. Yan. And if you have a big fingers, you could use some tweezers and cotton buds. Yan. So, yan. Oh, cool. And may feather, may banana, tawag dito, skin. And that turtle shells. And yung bilog, saan ilalagay? Oh, here. Sa yellow. Wait. Let's see. Para hindi liparin yung sticker at ma-misplace. Since kapag nalaglag na, mahirap nang hanapin. Yan. Cool, right? So, yan. Here's Luigi Kart. Oh, mas maganda, mas detailed talaga siya. No? Hey. Cool. Yan. So, next up, here's Donkey Kong Kart. Same na same lang talaga siya, no? Same gimmicks lang siya. May stickers, then interchangeable tires, yon. And what's cool about Donkey Kong is that mas malaki siya from the other characters. Diba? And at least hindi awkward. Kasi malaki naman talaga tong monkey na to. Diba? Oh, cool. Laki ng gulong, oh. Nice. And here's the stickers. Tatlo rin yung pwedeng ikabit sa tires yan. And again, it could be removed. And pwede nyo ipalit with the other toys. Okay? Wait, let's put the decals. Okay. So here you go. Here's comparing with Mario. Tingnan mo. Ang liit ng gulong niya. Ito ang laki ni wait. Pagpalitin nga natin ito muna. Nausi ako. Kasi hindi ito yung original So ito talaga. Yan, 'di ba? So okay. So yan. Real tires talagang gumagalaw. And ang cool ng vehicle ni Donkey Kong. Wait, ang ganda niya. Wait. Yan. So what's stated here is DK from the decals. An acronym DK as Donkey Kong. Yan. Oops. Yan. Okay. So, wait. Let's put this on the side. And the last sticker. Yan. Ang cool niya. Hindi, kasi 'di ba, the bigger the better for me. Mas cooler talaga siya. Ang angas. So yan, once again, here's Donkey Kong Kart. 'Di ba? So nice, ang laki niya. So yan, alam niyo na. Alam niyo na yung isa sa favorite ko, si Donkey Kong. Yan, okay. So, last two. And here's Yoshi. Yan. So, for Yoshi, alam ko maraming version ng Yoshi Or, lang, yung color lang ng egg. Again, kindly correct me if I'm wrong, highlighters ha? If ever na mali yung sinasabi ni Leo. So, yan. And if ever, actually, we meet sa outside, yan, don't hesitate to approach me. Yan, to take some pictures and tag me and post it on your story. Yun. So, yun, para if ever makapag tayo, interact. Yan. So, yun. So, yun. Ang notice ko lang here is that pwede nyo i-interchange yung niya with tawag dito? With Luigi. Yun, yung vehicle niya halos the same. Diba? And same yung stickers, And ito yung naka-tire mode talaga siya. Like kay Luigi, naka-flight mode. Okay, let's put the stickers. Ayun. So, the stickers first. Ayan, so baliktad. So, wait. Oops, tabingi. Ayan. And, cool niya. And, syempre, yung sticker na maliliit. Number 2 on this side. Yan. So, yung egg niya, medyo nakaslant. Hindi siya nakatayo. Diba? Medyo OC lang sa ganong pagdidikit. Oops. Again, wala kasi akong tweezers But better if you have some tweezers or toothpick if ever. Pwede na siya dito. O, yan. Yun. And, the last sticker for this toy. Ayan. Hihi. Okay, cool. Okay, so syempre, pakita lang natin yung, oops, nalaglag. Yung pagpalit yung tires nila. Oops. Okay, cool, color yellow lang yung ano niya, body ng tires. Pero cool pa rin naman. Kita niya na. Nice pa rin. Once again, here's Yoshi Kart. Wait. Let's put it back on its original tires. Cute little dinosaur Yoshi. So last but not the least, here's Bowser Kart. Yan, malaki rin siya. Yan. So alam niyo na. Pwede nyo ipagpalit ng tires niya kay Donkey Kong. Oh, pero it's the same. Actually, hindi siya kay Donkey Kong. Pero pwede naman din. Wait, let's see kung same yung ano niya. Kasi yung laki niya, wait, pakita natin. Ito, laki oh. Oh, laki din. And ito yung kay Donkey Kong. Same yung laki niya. Yung tires niya is the same. Ba't niyo ba ipagpapalit? The color lang yung pinagkaiba sa ilalim niya. And yun, same yung body niya. Kila Luigi. Oh, cool. Diba? Wait, so let's see nga. Wait, na-excite na. Pagpalit natin muna kay para mas good looking. Oh, ang angas. Mas malaking kay Luigi na tires. Tapos pakita natin maliit yung gulong ni Bowser. Cool pa din naman. So yan. So, unlock your creativity with these toys. Yan, 'di ba? So that's the purpose of this Happy Meal toys. 'Di ba? Less mechanism but mas interactive siya. And yun na pala no. Wait. Wala siya yung game na tawag dito. I-scan. Or I'm not hindi ko lang sure kasi hindi ko pa nakita yung stand-in nila or diorama or yung 3D stand nila ng mga toys. Baka meron doon QR code or may binibigay na maliliit na QR code for this one. So wait. Yan. So wait, lagay lang natin. Yan. So if ever may game naman, don't worry if ever na meron na i-scan. Nahuli lang tayo for this time. Pakita ko sa inyo na lang via short video. Yan. Again, if you're not a subscriber yet, yon. Follow me, Highlight Manila on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So yan. We will do lots and lots more of unboxing on the following days, months, and of course, years to come. So yan. And syempre, be a certified highlighter kapag naka-follow kayo kay Highlight Manila or kay Leo. So, yan. Wait. Diba? Mabilis na yung pagkakabit natin stickers. Hustler na. Hey, cool. Yan. So, here's the closer look of Bowser. Cool pa din naman. And by the way, just a trivia. Sa previous toys nila ng Mario, isa sa mabili nila na toys is Bowser. Yan. So, alam niya na. Kasi ang cool rin niya talaga. Ang laki. Diba? Once again, here's Bowser Kart. Hey! Yan. Cool. Laki niya. Yan. Okay. So, just a recap of the 2024 Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Happy Meal toys. Here's Bowser. Then followed by Yoshi. Here's Toad Kart. And of course, Toadette. Eehee. Yan. And here's Luigi, the best friend of Mario. And here's Peach with a other variation of our Pink Gold series. Yan. Diba? Yan. So, kung kukunin nyo si Peach, better dalawa agad kunin nyo. Diba? Para complete agad. yung series ni Peach. And here's Mario and the Gold Mario. And, syempre, save the best for last. And my favorite among the set would be Donkey Kong. Ang neat lang niya, actually. Mas malaki ang neat looking and yun, ang cool, ang angas. 'Di ba? Bagay na bagay yung katawan niya for the vehicle. So, kayo highlighters, which one is your favorite among all 10 Mario Kart 8 Deluxe figures? Or, let me say, cards. So, yan. Kindly comment down below. Okay. So, we're done now unboxing and showing you the closer look and gimmick. So, alam niyo na. Ang chismis highlighters. Yan. So, hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!